It was a long drive. It took an extra 2.5, almost 3 hours to get down. And it's already 12 hours, so the kids are happy to run around. We are on our way.
Only have 14 minutes to get to our...
We gotta move, guys. We have 14 minutes to margaritas.
Come on.
We are on our way over to Antojitos for dinner tonight. We just checked in at Hard Rock. The monsters are just so happy to be running around, so so excited for good food. Are you happy, Aaron?
Yes.
Hey, Lucas, are you happy?
Guys.
Yeah, they're everywhere. Okay, I gotta go herd cats. Ooh, yes. I'm coming in hot. If you ever come to Antojitos, you have to get the guacamole. It's super awesome. And as a special ingredient that I have never had anywhere else that makes it in-house guacamole. It's tasty. So good. I'm very happy. She found a different version of a spicy margarita. And she did the pineapple jalapeno tequila, another tequila, lime juice, no pineapple juice or anything else. So think like more basic margarita, but with a jalapeno tequila. And then there's like this spicy tahini rim on it. Excuse me.
What will be on mayonnaise?
That's cool. Looks like big donuts. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, so if you watched any of the vlogs from our Christmas trip, our holiday trip, that surprise vacation, you might recognize this hallway. It's just, or stairway, it's so pretty. It's nice to see it without the garlands, even though the holiday decor is really pretty, but I love the Hard Rock. Honest to goodness, I love it most for its proximity. It took 5 minutes to walk over to the park, so it was just so nice. But it is just, it's so light, it's so airy. I'll show you guys the lobby. It's really fun too. There's all the fun like videos. There's a lot of paraphernalia from different artists and entertainers, from Elvis. There's one for Lady Gaga down that hallway. There's some over here as well. I'm trying to make sure I don't hold up my group. But so like there's stuff from Shakira. I mean, come on, J-Lo. There's all kinds of like really cool things here. Okay, anyone who's a Black Sabbath fan, like, oh my goodness. Yeah, anyway, this resort is really, really fun. It's really pretty. The grub is really good. The views can be really amazing if you have a park view room. I would highly recommend it. I know a lot of people think that you don't want to be in, you don't want to pay the extra money to have a view because you're going to be gone all the time, but it's really nice when you come back to your room and you can enjoy a view. You can see something pretty, so you might as well. But also, oh my gosh, the biggest reason to get these premier resorts is because you get an unlimited express pass. These things are valued at $130, and it gets you to every ride, and you on every ride fast, with the exception of 2, Hagrid's and Velocicoaster. But honest to goodness, those passes are everything because you get them for every day of your stay, the day you check in. So if you want to get here early because your flight got in early, you can. The day that you check out, you can use it. So you get it every single day, and that's $130 a day that you're getting for free. So all of these resorts have different vibes. Hard Rock is very loud, fun, music, exciting, engaging. However, when you go to somewhere like Portofino Bay, it's not. It's very relaxing. So there's definitely something for everybody, no matter where you're going or what you're looking for and how you want to feel on vacation. Alright, so this is the club level lounge. You can come in here and get sodas, you can get snacks when it's time, and it's absolutely fabulous, and it's so worth it because you get, if you think about it, you have to pay for breakfast and you have to pay for drinks and you have to pay for these things, but if it's built into the cost for your resort, you can just come in there and grab it whenever you want to. You don't have to go order it from somewhere. You don't have to go all the way downstairs to the very lowest level by the boats and go get yourself a snack. You can go right in there and get as much soda as you want, as much water. Don't forget water, because you need to drink when you're at these parks. So it's such a value that's built in. You get those express passes. Like, it's so worth it. It's just so worth it. Oh my goodness, this Rockstar suite. Like, I can't even show you really the scope of how big this is. I'll have to ask in square footage. But this is huge, and I love these spaces, so you can put bags and suitcases, and then over here there's also suitcases, and then of course there's all these different celebrities that you can compare yourself with. So not counting my hair, I am Adele. I almost forgot I need to get this, because last time I got it, I had all the decorations on it from the holidays. Look at the guitar that's spinning in the back. That's so much fun. So, okay, I gotta tell you something that's really cool about this pool. I'm going in the shade. What's really, really special about the pool is actually you can hear water. You can hear music under the water. It's really trippy. But I mean, if anyone in your family loves to be in a pool and you really love to hang out, it's hard to beat it. Because of that, there's a really fun slide back there. There's cabanas that you can rent just like the other resorts, but it's so much fun to hear music underwater. Okay, I can't even. This trip has been so amazing, and I'm so grateful to the travel partners that helped me experience this. Like, you guys, I can't even. Oh God, I'm gonna cry. I can't even express like how much this means to me. So, I hope that I'm sharing enough with you. I'm hoping sharing it authentically enough, and I'm not just like this crazy excited person running around everywhere. Those are private tours. I don't know if you can see. There it is. Those are private tours. After this, I'm not sure. I know that we need food, but I know that we're also getting into the parks. We got unlimited express passes for the parks today. We also got $25 gift cards. You guys, I'm just like, this is my life. Are you serious? I'm so grateful. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Tell me how I can help you. Tell me how I can encourage you to come down here and just relax. So cheers. So we're walking over to Citywalk, which is right here. And just for proximity's sake, you can kind of see the off-white through the trees. That's the Hard Rock Hotel. So that's why we stayed here last December. It's ridiculously close. You can walk right over. You can also take a river taxi. That's one right there. And it's a really nice relaxing ride. So if you're tired and you feel like just kind of standing or sitting and waiting for one, that's a great option. But we also just like that we didn't have to wait for one in the crowds. And we could just right over. This is our room for tonight. This is back in December of 2023, but it's really nice. There's this cool little entryway with coffee, and then I love the mirrors. These are in every room, so you can compare your height to those of the famous entertainers and rock stars. The two queen beds, these are very squishy compared to the beds at, like, say, Aventura and Cabana Bay. This is an accessibility room, so you can see there's a lot more space here. There's two sinks. It was really nice to enjoy that space. It gave us a chance to spread out the kids when they're brushing their teeth. And then this is the room with the roll-away added. A little tight, but nothing too bad. As always, thank you so much for being here. If you liked the video, please let us know by clicking that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to hang out with you some more, and tune in next time for Universal and lots of Disney.